Hey everyone, quick video on these Solotop 3D printed adapters for Vision Pro. The purpose of these adapters is to easily attach a second Solo knit band to the device for use as a top supportive strap. They slip onto the headset arms and have a secure and snug fit. The back band attaches normally to the headset using the existing metal attachment points. And the extra solo band clicks onto the new attachment points exposed by the adapter. Once attached, the top band itself is angled back. This serves two purposes. It keeps the band higher up on the head, and it ensures a small size solo knit band can maintain a tight fit since it can't slide too far forward and give up too much slack. In short, these are really good. A dual solo setup is already a huge improvement, but the Solotop adapters bring the entire setup to the next level by ensuring a tight, secure fit every time. The plastic used is very sturdy. Visually, the color and shape matches well with the headset, and the top band attaches in a relatively discreet manner, so the entire look is very clean. My only complaint is that while having the back angled band helps with fitment, it also adds some additional forward torque to the headset. What that means is the tighter you adjust the top strap, the more the headset will want to angle forward, putting more pressure on the cheeks. This can be counteracted by adjusting the back band to sit even lower on the head. For me, this is comfortable, but it does limit my options when finding an acceptable setting. Alternatively, this is also a complaint for the Vision Pro itself, in that the headset has no built-in angle adjustment in the arms or depth adjustment at the facial interface, unlike almost every other headset that came before. One last thing to note here is that this setup maximizes comfort for a face strap style attachment with no counterweight. Some battery counterweight attachments you can find for the Quest 3 I still find to be much more balanced and comfortable. And if you prefer Halo style attachments, this won't convince you otherwise either, though there are some adapters that allow you to attach existing Halo straps to the Vision Pro. Back to the topic at hand, overall, Solotop adapters are an excellent choice for configuring a dual solo band setup. You can order either the 3D files to print or the physical adapter themselves. Links are in the description below. Hope you found this helpful, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.